Kirk and Laura, it's no question yesterday's election saw record turnout nationwide and right here in Michigan. According to Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson, at least 3.3 million absentee ballots have been returned. Another 2 to 2.5 million people voted in person. Now turns to this. Boarded up windows in businesses up and down the Kalamazoo Mall. Healthcare workers and nursing home residents are the top priority. Officials here at Bronson Hospital behind me say they have plans to vaccinate around 9,000 employees.
Was it worth it for the city to invest 10 years, millions of dollars, to now have empty apartments sitting and not being filled?
The house next door to her was on fire. That's when she grabbed everything that she could and made it out just in time. We knew something was going to happen, so we backed up very quickly, and we still felt it. I mean, it was just instantly, start crying, pain in your eyes, hard to breathe, coughing. I'd never experienced something like that before. As you mentioned, I've been working on this story for about 3 weeks now. I started asking our local superintendent questions after a nationwide report showed more failing grades on report cards this year compared to last. After reaching out to several districts across our viewing area, along with Governor Gretchen Whitmer herself, I finally got some data back that shows this trend is true. You mentioned yesterday when we spoke that undecided voters can play a crucial role. Do you think after this debate, anyone may have changed their mind? 34% of children ages 0 to 17 in Kalamazoo households are represented by single-parent families. Now in Calhoun County, where the Mitchell family lives, 41% of households only have one parent. What started as a birthday memorial for Elijah Williams, a man shot and killed at a Battle Creek house party late last year, turned into a violent night, leaving 2 people dead. A helicopter actually flew over us. This helicopter has been circling the area all morning long. Now, crews are not on the grounds just yet for the search. Her apartment has been shot at. Cockroaches have infested the hallways. Dead mice and black mold also found near her unit. Fast forward 5 years, the results are in, and here's how they stack up. The study looks at 4 areas that make up the city of Kalamazoo: the Vine neighborhood, Portage Street corridor, the heart of downtown, and the north side. Now, all traffic is being directed to Facebook Lives, where thousands of viewers are worshiping virtually. Hi, my name is Hannah Knowles. I'm trying to get a COVID-19 test. Call after call. Internet searches and drive-bys. This just a snippet of the work I did to try to get a COVID-19 test. Do you have to have an appointment for that one? If someone could please give me a call back so no one else can get a test. According to the state's coronavirus test website, within 25 miles of Kalamazoo, there's 18 places people can get tested for COVID-19. 13 of those locations do not require a doctor's note, and only 5 of them are free in cost to the public. We drove around to 4 of those testing sites in the Kalamazoo area, 2 a drive-through option, the others by appointment only. After calling each location to see if I could get a test, I was sent online to fill out multiple registrations.
Pretty easy, too, for their drive-through testing.
For the drive-through locations, both K-Med Pharmacy and OptiMed Health Partners had next-day availability. All right, thank you so much. I also tried calling our main Kalamazoo hospitals. Bronson sent me to their website. Ascension Borges says they're only doing tests for those in need of surgery. Just like my journey, Kim Brady and Gail Green both hit roadblocks.
I called Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I called urgent cares. I called hospitals. I looked online.
They gave me a COVID a hotline number, and that took a long time, 45 minutes or so, to get through to somebody. We were at the emergency room for over 4 hours with a lot of sick people and no social distancing.
Brady's symptoms started showing on November 3rd. After that, it took her over a week to get an appointment.
I called every hospital in town and was like, I need help. My chest was hurting so bad. I was having trouble breathing. So then I got online. Me and my cousin got online, and we were just searching everywhere to get tested quickly. In every single place was a 4-day wait.
As for Green, her test was for her 85-year-old mother.
She has COPD and asthma. She's diabetic. She has 3 stents.
Green says her mom never would have figured out how to get checked without her help.
Nobody seemed to know the answers about where you could get a rapid test. And the patients coming in need more assistance, and the system is failing.